my channel. Thank you for my old subscribers for coming back, and if you're new here, I just want to say welcome and thank you for joining the Island Girl family. So today's video, I'm just gonna try to straighten this deep curl here and get it from curly to straight. I've never done this before, but there's always a first time in everything, and nothing beats a failure but a try. Okay, so I have my hot comb over here, and I'm just gonna try and straighten it with the hot comb first, and then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and finish it up after. So we're just gonna do this section by section and see what the end result will look like. Okay, but hopefully I can get this girl back to being curly, because I really love it curly. So hopefully I can get it back, because if not, it will be bad. It would be bad, but let's see. Okay, so first I have to detangle it with the brush. I already detangled it, but sometimes, and I'm gonna use some of this. It's just a cheap oil. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a Palmer's coconut oil hair polish serum that I got from my local beauty supplies. I don't even know how much it was. Maybe about $3 or something like that, but it's not that expensive. So I'm just using it to straighten the hair first. I'll try to do this as quick as possible. So I'm just gonna keep doing this section by section until I reach to the top, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so see you guys in a little bit. So guys, I'm at the top now, and I'm just gonna be doing this in some small sections, just the same as I did with the back, and work my way up. You just apply the oil onto it, and then just kind of detangle it a little with my fingers, and I'm just gonna run this thing gentle, try to get through the knots, and just pull it out as I go, because this thing is a lot of work. Trying to get this curly wig to straight. It's a lot of work. People let it looks easy on YouTube, but you have to go over it a lot of times. But I'm willing to put in the work as long as I know I'm gonna get the results. And people, I put the hot comb on my comb, and now my comb is all burnt up. I don't want to go look for another comb, so I'm trying to use it. It's bad. So the oil makes it so soft, and now the iron is just running through it. Moving. This wig is so pretty. Like, you see the highlights that I put in there? You could never tell that this wig was jet black. Just look at it. It is so pretty. I did a good job. again, detangle it first, and then I'm gonna put the oil on it. Then I'm just gonna start pressing it from the root down. It's not making it that straight, but it's breaking up the curl pattern a little. So I guess that would make it easier for the curling, not curling iron, for the flat iron to finish the job. So I'm just trying to get it as straight as this can make it, and then going with the flat iron. So guys, I'm gonna finish the other side in the front, and then as soon as I'm ready to flat iron it, then I will come back, because I don't want to make this video too long and drawn out. Okay, so guys, I'm done going through it with my hot comb, and this is what the current look looks like. It's not as straight as I thought it would be, or I want it to be, but maybe if I had a blow dryer with a comb on it, maybe that would work better, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna make use of what I have. So I'm just gonna pin it up and go in sections with my tail comb, well, with my hot iron, with my flat iron. I don't know why I'm stuttering, it's crazy. So I'm gonna take small sections and see if that will make it straighten better. If I do smaller section, so let's see. This is what the final result looks like, guys. It's straight. The only thing is that it has some frizz to it, but I don't know. But yeah, it is nice. See, it is straight and nice. So it has a lot of body too. It's very thick. I thought it would get thin out just because of the flat iron and because it was so thick. Excuse me. I thought straightening it would really let it go thin, but to my surprise, it's still thick. So this is what it looks like from the back. Watch your bones. Willy bones. Willy bones. Watch your bones. Watch your bones. Yes, guys, so this is what the hair looks like. So here, guys, this is the finished product. I went ahead and I installed it off camera, and I also dropped some curls in it. Nothing too fancy, just put some curls with a big curling iron. So tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I hope you like it, and thank you so much again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, be safe and be blessed. And I wish you all nothing but the best that this world has to offer. And don't forget to follow your dreams. Anything you want in this life, you can achieve it. Please don't put your dreams aside for nobody. Okay? Thank you.